Are you preparing for SSC, CGL, CHSL, or MTS examination and any other state PSC, government PSU examination, or engineering examination? GK is an important part of your exam, and I am including very important questions that were previously asked in the government or PSU examinations. This is my channel GK for Success. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, let's move into the first question. The first question is, article belongs to GST. The article belongs to GST is 122. And second question, headquarter of Asian Development Bank. It is situated at Manila, Philippines. Third question, headquarter of IBRD. IBRD is also known as World Bank. The full form of IBRD is International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It is situated at US, Washington DC. Okay, US, Washington DC. Fourth question, Life Insurance Corporation of India, established in the year 1956. Fifth question, coldest planet in our solar system. It is the coldest planet, and it is Neptune. And the sixth question is, largest endocrine gland. It is thyroid. The largest gland is liver. Okay, largest endocrine gland is thyroid. Seventh question, what is egg mark? It is an indication given for the quality of agricultural products. Eighth question, national flag adopted on 22nd July 1947. These are very important questions that were repeatedly asked in the previous year SSC, CHSL or CGL examination. These are very important questions. Okay, ninth question, beriberi is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. 10th question, hottest planet in our solar system. It is Venus. 11th question, FCI established in the year, Food Corporation of India, 1965. 12th question, longest cell in human body. It is nerve cell. 13th question, article belongs to the prohibition of child labor. Child labor is prohibited under the article 24. 14th question, national sports of USA. We all know the national sports of India is hockey and the national sports of USA is baseball. 15th question, Oscar Award introduced in the year, Academy Award or Oscar Award introduced in the year 1929. 16th question, Agagan Cup is related with hockey. 17th question, Kalinga Prize awarded by. It is awarded by UNESCO for the scientific inventions. 18th question, first country to make constitution, US. 19th question, absence of melanin is known as. The disease which is caused by the absence of melanin is known as albinism. 20. Earth Day is celebrated in every year on April 22. 21st question, medicine line is the another name of 49th parallel. It is actually the boundary between USA and Canada, 49th parallel. 22nd question, Desert river of India. Luni is known as the desert river of India. 23rd question. Aravalli ranges are an example of residual mountains. Aravalli ranges are the oldest mountain range in the world, and it is a portion of residual mountains. 24. Longest national highway in India. It is NH44. Previously it was NH7. Now it is renamed to NH44, and it connects Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. 25th. Active volcano in India that is known as Barron is located in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 26th question. In which year Mahatma Gandhi became president of INC for the first time? In 1924, Belgaum section. 27th question. Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust is located in Mumbai. 28th. Founders of Swaraj Party. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. 29th question. Youngest winner of Bharat Ratna. Sachin Tendulkar. 30th question. Who holds the record of winning National Film Award in the Best Actor category? Amitabh Bachchan. 31st question. National Sports Day is celebrated in every year on August 29. It was actually celebrated to remember Dhyan Chand. Dhyan Chand's birthday is celebrated as August 29. 32. First Indian to cross English Channel. Mighir Sen. 33. First winner of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. It is the award, it's the most prominent award in the Indian film industry, and it is known as Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The first winner is Devika Rani. 34th question. Fastest river in India. Teesta. 35th question. Boundary between India and China is known as McMahon Line. 36th question. Winner of ICC World Cup 2019. England. 37. ICC Test Player of the Year 2019-20. Pat Cummins. 38th question. Venue of FIFA 2022 Men's World Cup. Qatar. 39th question. Highest run getter in IPL. Virat Kohli. 40th question. Jnanapith Award 2019 winner. Akkithan Achyutan Namboothiri from Kerala. 41st question. Polly Umbriger Award 2019 winner. Jasprit Bumrah. 42nd question. Oscar Award for the Best Film 2020. Parasite. 43. Best Actor Oscar 2020. Joaquin Phoenix. 44th question. Best Director Bong Joon-ho. He is a famous director in Korean film from Korean film industry. One of his film, Memories of Murder, is taken as one of the best movies, considered as one of the best movies in the world. Memories of Murder. Okay. Best Director Bong Joon-ho. 45th question. Khel Ratna Cash Prize. 7.5 lakh. And the first awardee is Vishwanathan Anand, the famous chess player of India. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe and enter the like button. Thank you.